Hello. This video will explore the track and bulk options in ICCIS. Once you've logged in and are at the home screen, you will have options listed here along the left-hand column. First, let's explore track. Here's where you are able to keep track of your course and curriculum proposals. The options available allow you to search by all proposals or by status of the proposal, such as pending, denied, approved, completed, or failed. Let's take a look at all proposals first. Click All Proposals. Here you can search all proposals by type, such as course or curriculum, prefix, number, proposals such as new, modify, withdraw, reuse, or inactivate, the status of the proposal, or by submission date. You can also search by any combination of these fields. Note, because this is test data, we do not have too many proposals to view. However, if you want to view the details of any proposal listed, click on Details. Here the system provides you with a receipt of the proposed submission process, which you can print for your records if necessary. Click Print or Close to return to the previous list of proposals. The remaining options provide a list of proposal by status. So if you want to view what current proposals are pending review by ICCB, click Pending. If you need to review the details of a pending proposal, click View. This shows you the information as it was submitted to ICCB. You can see where the proposal is awaiting action, meaning it is awaiting review and approval by ICCB staff. Click Save to return to the previous list of proposals. If you want to view a list of proposals that may have been denied after submission and review by ICCB, click Denied. This is a list of proposals denied by ICCB. To see a denial statement, click Modify. Here you can see why the proposal was sent back. In order to address these comments, you would make the spelling correction to the title and then click Resubmit to send the proposal back to ICCB. If you're not sure what the denial statement means and need help interpreting how to move forward with a proposal correction, email Tricia Broughton, including a screenshot of the denied proposal with the denial statement. Let's move on to tracking approved proposals. Approved means the proposal has been submitted, reviewed by ICCB, and is awaiting transfer into the master file database. Here you can see a list of recently submitted and approved proposals. If you need to review the details of an approved proposal, click View Details. This shows you the information as you would have seen it while submitting the proposal. You can see where the proposal is awaiting action, meaning it is awaiting transfer into the ICCB database. Click Back to return to the previous list of proposals. Now let's take a look at completed proposals. Completed means the proposal has been submitted, reviewed by ICCB, and transferred successfully into the master file database. As this message indicates, the list here shows only those proposals completed within the last week. To view a list of completed proposals farther back, you would look under All Proposals. If you need to review the details of a completed proposal, click View Details. Here you can see the details of your completed proposal. Click Back to return to the previous list of proposals. Finally, under Failed, you can see proposals that were submitted, reviewed by ICCB staff, approved, but failed to transfer into the master file database. These proposals must be corrected, resubmitted, or deleted. Note, ICCB staff sees the information and the reason for the failure when a proposal fails to process. Proposals fail for a variety of reasons, such as the wrong update type was selected by ICC staff during the review, an effective date too far into the future was input at your end, the course requested for withdrawal was already withdrawn, or something occurred within the network server at our end during the transfer process. Note, with some errors, the resolution needs to occur at our end, meaning ICCB staff will correct the error, mark each error as resolved, and the proposal will show completed. With other errors, ICCB staff may need to contact you for further information on how to proceed resolving the issue. Just keep in mind that marking the error resolved occurs at the ICCB end of the process. Now, let's explore bulk. The bulk option in ICCIS is for when your institution has a large number of changes in a single modification type. Note, a large number of changes equates to more than 10 changes. An example of a bulk change request might be changing the course prefix for 100 courses. Let's take a look. Click Bulk. Here you will see three options: Search, Submit, and Track. Let's skip the Search option and review Submit first. Click Submit. Here's where you submit your bulk proposal. Note, bulk master file update proposals are managed differently through ICCIS than individual master file update proposals. Differently in that bulk update requests are submitted by attaching a spreadsheet including specific information only necessary to update the master file. The spreadsheet attachment must follow specific guidelines as outlined here. This guideline document includes a list of required fields for each of the update types, definitions for each field, important notes about formatting the spreadsheet, and screenshot illustrations of format requirements using MS Excel. Please review these guidelines before starting a bulk submission spreadsheet. Once you've reviewed the guidelines, there are also templates in MS Excel format that can be downloaded to assist with your submission. Spreadsheet templates are available for each of the update options. After having downloaded the template and having entered the data required for your bulk update request, remember the total number of records in your submission spreadsheet. This excludes the heading row. You will need to enter this information into your ICCIS bulk proposal. Let's take a look at the ICCIS bulk proposal submission. First, start by selecting the type of submission, course or curriculum. When you make this selection, a menu of update options will appear. You may only select one of these updates per proposal. Next, you will need to enter the total number of records in the spreadsheet. Note, if you enter the incorrect number of records, or other information is incorrect, or formatting of the spreadsheet is incorrect, an error in processing will occur. Here's where you attach the spreadsheet. Note, if you experience issues attaching files, try clearing your cache and switching browsers. If you still cannot attach files, take a screenshot of the error message and email it to Tricia Broughton at tricia.broughton@illinois.gov. After confirming all information is correct, click Submit to send the proposal to ICCB. Once received, ICCB staff will review the request and approve or deny the proposal. Now, let's take a look at the Track option. Click Track. Just like the Track option we reviewed for individual course and curriculum proposals, this option allows you to keep track of the status on your bulk proposals. The information is listed by proposal so that you can see when it was received by ICCB, the type of proposal it was, such as course or curriculum, the update being requested, such as a prefix number update, inactivation, withdrawal, or credit hours change, and how many records were included in the submission. Here you can see there are several bulk proposal submissions with different statuses listed. Let's take a look at each of these statuses. First, completed means the proposal was submitted, approved, and is transferred successfully into the master file database. Let's take a look at this example of a completed bulk proposal. Click View Details. This shows the information as you would have seen it while submitting the proposal to ICCB. You can see there were 12 records transferred and 0 records failed. Click back to return to the previous list of proposals. Another status is approved. Approved means the proposal was submitted, has been reviewed by ICCB, but is pending transfer into the master file database. If you want to look at the details on this approved proposal, click View Details. This shows you the information as you would have seen it while submitting the proposal, but instead of showing completed, it indicates awaiting action, meaning it's awaiting for transfer into the master file database. Click back to return to the previous list of proposals. Let's take a look at an incomplete status. Incomplete means the proposal was submitted, approved, and transferred, but some records failed to process. To see how many records failed to process, click View Details. Here you can see that 14 records transferred into the master file database successfully, and 4 records failed to transfer. If you scroll down the page, you can see each record that failed listed with an error message indicating why it failed. This error indicates while the data in the spreadsheet asked for a curriculum prefix and/or number to change, that was already there in the database for this course, and it matched the requested change. This error is telling us that the system couldn't change the curriculum information because it was already reflected as requested. Note, ICCB staff sees the same information when any proposal, including a bulk proposal, fails to process. In this case, the resolution needs to occur at our end, meaning ICCB staff will mark each error as resolved and the bulk proposal will show completed. With some errors, ICCB staff may need to contact you for further information on how to proceed resolving the issue. Just keep in mind that marking errors resolved occurs at the ICCB end of the process. Click back to return to the previous list of proposals. Finally, let's take a look at a denied proposal. This means that upon submission and review by ICCB staff, the proposal was denied and sent back to you for revision. A bulk proposal could be denied for missing information in the spreadsheet, such as an effective date, or it could be the spreadsheet is formatted incorrectly. The reason for the denial will be listed at the top. If you have questions about how to correct your submission, please contact Tricia Broughton. Once you've made the necessary corrections to the submission, you would click Resubmit to send the proposal back to ICCB. Or if the proposal needs to be completely redone, it might be easier to just delete and start over. Once received, ICCB staff will review the request and approve or deny the proposal. Finally, let's review Search. Click Search. This option allows you to search all of your bulk proposals. You can search by type of proposal, such as course or curriculum, update type, status, submission date, or you can search using a combination of any of these fields. Because we are using test data, you can see the bulk proposals listed here are the same as those we viewed under the track option. Just like using track for individual course and curriculum proposals, if you want to view the details of a submission under the search option, click Details. The system provides you with a receipt of the bulk proposal submission process, which you can print for your records if necessary. Click Print or Close to return to the previous list of proposals. This concludes our video training session on the track and bulk sections in ICCIS. If you have any questions about any of the information covered here or have trouble executing any of the functions described here, please contact Tricia Broughton at tricia.broughton@illinois.gov.